Shopified app enough.
Hey guys, I'm Carl Sugar
and Chase Bowers,
and we're here to introduce to you a most amazing new app called Shopify. Anybody that's in e-com business or wanting to get into it, this is perfect for you. So come join us. Hey guys, Carl Sugar back here again, and I've got something extremely excited to bring to you today. I'm actually joined with Chase Bowers. He's the founder and developer of the Shopified app. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to interview Chase a little bit here to sort of get like more of an in-depth view of how this app will change your life, especially if you're in e-com or you're looking at getting into the e-com business. Now, one of the main features that everybody loves that has tested this app so far is the one-click adder, where basically it'll add something from AliExpress immediately, and then on top of that it comes with an image where when you're scrolling, when you're doing your research and trying to find something that you're looking for, it'll tell you what's on ePacket or not. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and pass the mic over to Chase and have him explain to us, give us, like I said, a little bit more depth on how that works.
All right, thanks, Carl. Yeah, so with e-commerce, if you're new to it or if you've been doing it for a while, you'll find, or you know, that one of the most tedious, the thing that I can't stand personally, is just having to spend so much time at getting the products into the store. And for each product, it can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes per product, depending on how many variants or colors or sizes that it has. So what we've developed with the Shopified app is we've given a way for you to visit the product page. Just go to AliExpress, find the product that you want, visit the page, and with one click, you can add the product to your store. And you can, as you can imagine, this is a huge time saver. So we've taken this technology and we've basically allowed you just to save tons of time so that you can focus more on marketing your products, generating more sales so that you can be more successful and ultimately scale your e-com business.
Basically, just to kind of reiterate what you were saying, is that basically it's just a simple click of the button versus the old way or the original way where you do research and you have to find something. It's very tedious versus just finding it and clicking one button and grabbing images and grabbing headlines and grabbing the product styles and everything and putting it all on a board into your Shopified app and then clicking again and going right to your e-com store in Shopify. It's a beautiful thing. Chase has done such a good job at helping people fix a super problem and need. I mean, we're talking about someone that could spend anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour moving over one thing. It's done in a click of a button. On top of that, we are doing some fast action bonuses. So for people that take advantage of this right now, they'll be able to get access to, and in fact, I'm going to have Chase go over it with you, but they're going to get access to a whole bunch of bonuses at one price, one time, lifetime access to the app. And it's actually a Chrome extension. So that's another thing we'll talk about, is that the ease of use of it is that it's always on your browser whenever you need it. So I'm going to hand it over to Chase and he'll go over those fast action bonuses with you.
And these are huge bonuses. So we take the one-click product adder, so that obviously that saves tons of time. So what we've done on top of that, we've given you a way to just enter a few settings into the Chrome extension settings page. Now every time that you go to a product that you want to add, you can designate the markups that you want. Let's say you have a product that's $5. Let's say, and you know that you want to make a 200% markup on it. Well, all you have to do is go to the settings page, enter the markup percentage that you want to make, and instantly we've already calculated that for you. So that's more time to save. The second thing we've done, let's say let's say you're not ready to put everything on your store just yet. You're wanting to do research. Let's say you're in the golf niche. So you go into AliExpress and you find some golf tees, you find some golf balls, you find some golf clubs, and you're saying, I like this product, I don't like that product. So what we've allowed you to do is to go into the ultimate research mode. So this allows you to find the products that you want. You can now, with one click, save them to the complementary web application. So this is before you even get to Shopify. So this is huge. Think of it as like a Pinterest. You're able to go and you're able to pin or save these products, and you can take them into the web application and you can organize them with different boards. I have a board for my golf products. I have a board for my Harry Potter products. And you have all of these different boards, and now you're basically just organizing all your research. So imagine you can do this with like 50, 100, basically unlimited products to get all of these into the store.
Wow.
So it's pretty amazing. So, and the next thing that we want to do for today, for if you take action right now as fast action bonus, is we have something that we call the image grabber. So when you're importing your products, a lot of times you're stuck with just a few products that are on the main product images. And first of all, it's super hard to grab these. I don't know if you've ever tried it. If you've dealt with AliExpress, you know what I'm talking about. You can't really just right-click the image. You can't really just drag it to your desktop. What you have to do is go into the source code, which is completely unnecessary for doing this type of stuff. You go into the source code and you have to almost be a programmer to figure out how to get these images to your desktop. So we've added a way to just easily snatch those images, send them straight to your store, as well as any images that are in the description area. So you have your main images, you have the images in the description area. So basically just revolutionize the way that you get images into your store, products into your store. And the last thing that we've done is, imagine you had a product with, let's say, 10 different styles to it. For each of those styles, you're going to have to go through the same process as a product with just one style. So we've taken that, and now you can just easily, with one click and a few basically designations, you can say this image goes with this variant, this image goes with that variant. With a few clicks, you can add 10 variants or 10 different colors or 10 different styles to your store. When it used to take you, like we were saying earlier, up to an hour, up 30 minutes to an hour for those products.
Wow, that's amazing. So guys, just to kind of reiterate again on this, and just so you understand what you're getting exactly, for one price, you take advantage of this now while we're still doing this deal, because after this it's going to go on like a monthly offer, and this whole offer will definitely be closing its doors soon. So I urge you to scroll down and make sure you take advantage of this now, or continue to listen, because what we're going to do is we're going to give you an inside demo before we go, but just to go over all the stuff that you get for the one price. First off, you get the one-click product grabber. It's going to grab the product from AliExpress or Alibaba, stick it directly onto your Shopify store, or stick it to the board so you can do some research and figure out which research you want to use. And then on top of that, it also has the ePacket ID on the research on AliExpress. So when you're actually looking on AliExpress and you're scrolling up and down, you can tell which packages and products you can do shipping from directly from that source. Then as the fast action bonus, you're going to get the US based. So say for instance right now when we're filming this during the Chinese holiday, the Chinese New Year. Well, a lot of those stores are closed. Well, with this, it'll actually tell you which product or drop shippers are US based, so you don't have to really worry about that and not close your store up. The other thing that it comes with is the product. It's really like a product calculator. So basically what it does is, say you wanted to go up 200% on your products, you could actually set that 200% up. One click, push it to your store automatically. You don't have to do anything. It doesn't take you 30 minutes to an hour like we were saying. The other thing is the image grabber. I didn't even know this, Chase. You were saying that it actually has to go into the source code to actually pull that information out in order for it to actually push it into your store. This does it automatically for you. You don't need to know how to be a coder or anything complicated like that. And then also the easy variant changer. So like a lot of products out there, like if you're in the nursing industry, or if you're selling a product that it has like print on there where it says like, love you to the moon and back mom, love you to the moon and back aunt, or whatever that might be. that'll actually take those each variants and set them up and stick them directly into your store. So we're gonna go ahead and cut into the next part, which is Chase giving an on-product demo, and then we're gonna go ahead and say bye after that. We hope you take advantage of this while you still can at one price. Chase has done a phenomenal job in putting this application together for the general public. He found a need and he solved it for you, and I'm super excited about it. I hope you take advantage of it and come along with us for the ride.
So in this example, we're researching shot glasses. This is pretty typical. You'll type in a keyword, start looking through your products on AliExpress, and right off the bat you can see our ePacket identification feature. You click on the Chrome extension and automatically we give you a button that lets you hide all the products without ePacket shipping and only show the ones that are relevant. Our next feature is our one-click product importer. So with one click of the Chrome extension, you can send your product to your Shopify store or send it to our web application for later processing. So now I'm inside of the web application. So this is what it looks like. I clicked on the tab for my store. Here's the product for the skull glass. And you can see I can add my description. I can manage this product inside of the Shopified app. I've saved the original description of the product as well from AliExpress. I've got the product info tab. This gives me the seller information. I can contact the seller. The Shopified app greatly increases your efficiency when doing product research. And now since you don't have to worry about copying and pasting, you can churn through hundreds of products with Shopified app. If you find a product that you like, you simply click it and add it to the web application for further processing. Just like Pinterest, you can click this board button. If you need to create a new board, you can add one, but if you have one that you've created, you simply just click it and it adds it to that board, just like that. You can go to the next product, colored socks. Does that go under anything? We can see it looks like it goes under sportswear. So we'll click it. So we have a list of boards that you can click. So I'll click on sportswear. It takes me to the sportswear board. You can see all of your products that have been added to the sportswear board. If you take action today, you'll get these fast action bonuses as well. The US product database, the auto price multiplier, product boards, the image extractor, and the easy variant setup. Shopified app works with both AliExpress and Alibaba. After you have used Shopified app for one day in your dropshipping business, I promise you, you won't be able to live without it.
Hey guys, thank you for joining us. We hope that you took advantage of the Shopified app because we want to save you money and time, and we want to see you on the inside where you belong. So I'm going to leave you with this. Get Shopified!
What if you could manage dozens of your Shopify stores in one web application? That's all of your products in one place. That's all of your orders in one application. That's all of your VAs in one place. Well, welcome to Shopified App Unlimited. With Shopified App Unlimited, we've unlocked all of the restrictions, and now we allow you to manage an unlimited number of stores from one platform. So imagine being able to log in to create dozens of stores and manage all of your products, all of your orders, and your customers from one place. Before, this would be almost impossible to do, but now with Shopified app, it's easy. And on top of that, we're adding 4 bonuses. With bonus number 1, you get more product catalogs. With Shopified App Pro, you are able to add items with one click from product catalogs such as AliExpress and Alibaba. Now we've upped it even more. We're adding in 6 new product catalogs. Amazon.com, there's Tmart, there's DHgate, there's Sammy Dress, there's eBay, and there's Overstock.com. Shopified app is the first and only app to have one-click importing from this many sources. And it doesn't stop here. We're always looking for new sources of products to add to our one-click importer. Bonus number 2, product availability alerts. This one is killer. So never sell products that you can't fulfill again. With product availability alerts, Shopified app works in the background and it will notify you when a product that you're selling is no longer available. So no longer do you have to go to AliExpress every day and check to make sure that your product is still available, that the vendor hasn't removed it. So you can decide whether you need to find a new vendor or you need to mark your product as out of stock until more product arrives. So you can see how this would be super helpful. So bonus number 3 is price change alerts.
So don't let AliExpress vendors take away your profits. And what I mean by that, no longer do you have to be left in the dark when AliExpress vendor changes their product or their variant price. So with this bonus add-on, you'll be automatically notified so you can make the proper adjustments. So let's take a quick look at that. So here's a price alert. So you'll notice right here with this product, the old price was $329. The new price, $658. They've basically doubled the price, cutting into your profit margins. That can make a big difference. It may make you want to reconsider which vendor that you use. All right, we've looked at the first 3 bonuses. With bonus number 4, I think it's something that you're really going to love. And that's the ability to have sub-users as a part of your Shopified app account. So what we're calling this is our enterprise license. You can add an unlimited number of users to help manage your growing e-com empire. So you'll have complete control over which stores they manage and what features that they have access. So this will give you the peace of mind that you need to manage all of your stores. So let's recap everything that you get with this offer today. You get Shopified App Unlimited, giving you unlimited number of stores that you can manage in one platform. As a bonus, you get our product catalog one-click bundle. So instead of just being limited to AliExpress and Alibaba, you can now manage or add products with one click from Amazon, from eBay, from Sammy Dress, from Tmart.com, from DHgate, from Overstock.com. On top of that, you get product availability alerts, so you'll get notified if anything changes with the product. You get price change alerts to make sure that the vendors aren't cutting into your profit margins. And the last one, and the big one, is that you get to add sub-users because we're giving you the enterprise license. So now you can manage your store by allowing your team of VAs or your staff to access Shopified App. In October of 2015, we tested Shopified App with a small group of 300 beta users. I can't tell you the number of people that have come to me and have said that Shopified App has completely revolutionized their dropshipping business, that it'll never be the same again. It's so much easier now, it's so much faster. And the great thing about Shopified App and this offer today is that you can try it completely risk-free. So if for any reason at all, any reason that you're not satisfied with Shopified App Unlimited, what you're seeing today, you're protected by our 30-day guarantee. We want to take on all of the risk so that you don't have to. That's how confident we are that you're going to love this. So go ahead and take advantage of our special launch day, launch week pricing and get the unlimited bundle today.
Hey guys, my name is Peter Chan Jr. and I recently just launched my first Shopify store, and one of the biggest issues that I actually had with Shopify was dropshipping. Right? I dropship a lot of products on AliExpress and I always have my VA fulfill the orders. I'm always looking at all the products inside AliExpress and I'm trying to figure out what products I want, what products I don't want, what I want to keep for later, just kind of create a file of all of my favorite products, and it's really hard for me to just fulfill every order that I have. Okay, my VAs, they were charging me an arm and a leg and they couldn't fulfill every single order. Luckily, I found Shopify and it's really made my life a lot easier. My business now runs much smoother. I can have my VAs fulfill the orders much simpler and easier. So if you guys are looking to pick up this software and really enhance your store and your e-com projects in your business, I really do recommend you guys pick it up. It's gonna save you a lot of time, money, and energy.